What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video we're gonna go ahead and pick the winners of the AUKEY KM-G3 and KM-G6 mechanical keyboard giveaway. So 10 days ago I just announced that I'll be giving away 6 gaming keyboards. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pick the 6 winners. Now I want to mention that this only was a US and a UK giveaway, so only people from the United States and the United Kingdom could enter, because you know, it was all because of the shipping method of the company AUKEY, because I'm not shipping them myself. They're shipping the keyboards to the winners at their end. Let's go ahead and pick the 6 winners. Right here it says draw winners, so that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm just gonna click on there, and then we're gonna pick 6 lucky people that will rock a mechanical keyboard you can use for gaming and editing. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, these are the winners of the keyboards. Now obviously I'm gonna blur all the information just to protect their privacy, obviously. So we have the first winner, which is Andrew Kwan, I hope I pronounced that right, from the USA. We have Michael Hunt, also from the USA. Then we have Zahir Zayman from the United Kingdom. We have Hey Yoltz Mo, also from the United Kingdom. Then we have Marlene McLaughlin, and we have Jamie from the United Kingdom. So congratulations to you all. I'm going to send you all an email, you know, separately that you want, so I can get you the shipping address, and obviously I will forward your addresses to AUKEY, the company that will send out the winners. So guys, that's it for this video. Those are the winners, and for the people that did not win this keyboard, tomorrow there is another winner announcement dropping, and that is the Vegas Pro 16 giveaway. So that giveaway lasted a month because we just wanted to celebrate the Vegas Pro 16 release by giving away 3 physical box copies that we're gonna send out to 3 winners, and that is a worldwide giveaway. If you enter that giveaway, make sure to check out the video tomorrow, because tomorrow, like I said, it will release on the channel who won Vegas Pro 16. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for participating in this giveaway, and I will see you guys in a brand new video, obviously tomorrow on the channel. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.